If you wanna build a stunning and beautiful blog or magazine website using WoodMart theme, this video is for you. Hello guys, this is your Preet. In this tutorial, we will customize our WoodMart magazine template and I will show you how you can create this stunning blog or magazine website using WoodMart. So don't skip any part of this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So I already installed WordPress on my hosting. If you're looking for hosting discount, you can check out link in description. Once you already set up WordPress on your dashboard, we will go to appearance, setting and click on permalink. So here in permalink setting, make sure it's set to post name and save changes. After save changes, next step, we will install our WoodMart theme. Make sure you already purchase WoodMart theme from Invento Market. For that, you can check link in description as well to get extra discount for the theme file. Let me go to appearance, click on themes. So here we will install our WoodMart theme. Let me click on add new theme and now you have to upload your theme file from your computer. So here we will click on upload theme and let me choose my theme file from my computer and click install now. You have to wait till your theme file being installed on your WordPress dashboard. After that, we will activate our theme and we will install some of the required plugin, as well as I will also suggest you some plugin which will help you to boost your website overall experience. Okay, so next step here we have to do some basic setup here. Click on let's get start. After you click on let's start, and you have to activate your theme. As my theme already activate, license is verified and activated, so make sure you have a valid license and click on next step. And here it will ask you if you would like to download the child theme file. I will suggest you have to install the child theme file. In case your main file has some issue, then you can switch to the child theme. It will protect your website from being uh, uh, have any issue in the layouts or in the design. Let me click on skip for now. You can install and just simply install it. And then let me choose Elementor here because we will use our Elementor. In the next step, we will install some of the required plugin. So Elementor WoodMart core is always required. So let me install one by one, or you can click here install and activate all the plugins. It may take some time. Please do not leave your page or refresh your page. You have to stay here till all the plugins being installed on your WordPress. So let me install one by one. These two plugin, Elementor and WoodMart core, is required. Without this plugin, you will not able to go to next step. So make sure you install both of these plugin. And you have, if you're building using WoodMart theme for WooCommerce or online store, then you have to also install WooCommerce contact form 7. And let me click on here install for contact form 7. But if you not required, you can skip some of other these plugins. Okay, now we will click on next step. In the next step, we will choose our blog layout first. So let me go to the previous section, as you need to install the following plugin to use our import function. Yeah, we need to install WooCommerce even if we are building a blog or magazine website. We have to install this plugin to get this functionality, to get pre-built website template. So without it, we will not able to import those those templates. Let me go ahead on the WooCommerce. You can simply here go to previous step and click here install. WooCommerce plugin will start installing, and now we will click on next step. Now this is the time we will choose our template. Let me scroll down to find our blog and magazine template here. You can check all the templates they have, because in this tutorial we are building for the blog and magazine. But if you want to build e-commerce or online store, I already create a complete tutorial, 3-hour tutorial for that. You can check that link in description or in the playlist. So we have here magazine. You can live review this template here by clicking here, or you can just click on import. And now our blog magazine template start installing, and it may take some time. You have to stay here. Do not refresh your WordPress page. As you can see, our content has been successfully imported, and now let's click on next step if we have any another step here, or we will skip and click on done this process. Yeah, we have completed all the steps. Now you have option here: WooCommerce setup, theme setting, header builder. Before we go into these sections, we will first, as we are building blog a magazine website, we will make sure our blog or magazine category and blog post, we will write some blog posts and add some categories, because when we start customizing our homepage, we will easily set up our categories and blog posts according that. So let's check out our website how it look like. Yeah, it look beautiful. Now we have to only do we have to customize our header section, sidebar, and the blog post, because as you can see now we have a lot of blog posts, but those comes with the demo content. We have to remove and put our own content. We have to write our own blog post. The banner looks good. Okay, now let me go back to my WordPress and click on post, click on categories. Here you have to create your own categories. These categories comes with a demo content, so we don't need all these categories. We can simply remove, select all, and select delete and apply. Delete all these categories and start writing here. Add new category one by one. Put your category name like web design. In the slug, put the same value, web design as well, and provide description up to 160 characters, but this is optional. And click on add new category. So now this way you can create different categories. Old categories you can remove, and then you have to go to all post. As you can see, we have 14 posts comes with the demo content. We have to remove all these posts to avoid copyrights and start writing our own content. So we will able to assign category according those. Okay, now let's go to our home page of website. Okay, let me first just go to pages to check what type of pages we have. Go to pages, click all pages. We have about us. Make sure there is no any duplicate page. You can remove that. Okay, if there are some pages you want to keep, like shop page, you can keep as well, because we have successfully installed WooCommerce. You can also sell your product using your blog here. Okay, then here we have about us. Let me check which about us is comes with that. Yeah, this one we have to keep this one, and the other one we can check. Sometime if you are switching from another theme, there is a content left behind. You have to clear your old content, old pages. Okay, so let me remove the upper one, so I keep only about one about us page. Okay, now let me find my home page. To find home page, very easy. You can see here front page Elementor, home magazine. Now we will right click with the mouse on edit with Elementor and open link into new tab. So into new tab we will start customizing our theme file. So this will open the home page area. So here we will start customizing our home page. So that's why I suggest you first to create some post and categories. So we will assign those categories here. As you can see, if the first banner we have uncategorized. So if we already have a category and write some post belong to that particular category, we will able to easily um, fix those categories here in the banner. So those posts will start displaying here. Let me right click with the mouse, edit blog. Okay, make sure you click within this banner, right click with the mouse. Okay, or you can follow this pencil icon on every element, and left side you will see general option, data source. Data source will be post, because we want to display post here. Here categories option, you have to choose your category you wanna display in the first banner. Let me choose, we just create web design, but on the web design we did not have any content yet because we did not write any content. So even if I select web design, there is no post belong to it. So that's why I suggest you create your categories first and some blog post. You can select your category, only that category will display here. Scroll down, even you can exclude the categories or blog posts you don't want to display in this banner from the exclude area. Just you have to search the blog post or page, anything here in the exclude. Okay, order by, or if you want to display the latest one, order by dates, you can select here. Order by title, last modified date. Okay, you can also choose random order to display random blog post in the banner, like that. Okay, then don't forget to click publish. Let's go to next one. We have a sidebar here. We have this huge blog post, the big image blog post. Let me right click on it, edit blog again. So this time we will search here, enter category, tag, or custom testimony. You can search, even you can select here list of IDs. Then you have to search the blog post here with the blog post ID. How to find blog post ID? When you open your blog post, let me go to post, click all post. Example, I wanna display any of blog posts from these. For example, green interior, green inspiration. So what I will do, I will right click on view, open link into new tab. When you open link into new tab, look at the address bar. There should be blog or list ID. If not, just edit this particular blog post and look at in the address bar. There should be the post ID, like post is equal 456567. Then you have to copy into from blog post. Let me copy my URL so you will understand. Let me paste my URL here on the screen so you understand here. Okay, so this is my URL right now. Okay, so here you can see post is equal 456. This is a post ID. So I will copy it here. Post 456, just to copy it. Okay, because I want to display this blog post here. So let me paste my blog post ID here. First, choose list of IDs, include only, just put 456, or you can simply put 456 and it will search. If not, just put like that, post is equal 456. Okay, this way. Or you can try to search the blog post title. Example, the title here, let me go back. The title here, green interior design inspiration. Let me go back here and search this particular term. Here it is. You will easily find your blog post. You can choose this way, you can consider this way to search title. If you have difficulty to choose or to find the id, blog post id, you can search, just search the title here, blog post title, and now that particular post will start displaying here. Okay, because we have only one post here. Yeah, then don't forget to click on publish. Let's go to sidebar now. We have image, hello my name is Sophia, it's a big established fact. So we have to click on, right click with the mouse, edit sidebar. So in the left side we have sidebar, choose sidebar. The sidebar name is chosen here, main visit area. So we have to find this main visit area sidebar where it is located in the backend. So we will able to edit this particular item, because here they just only select the visit. We have a more visit here. So let me show you where you can find this sidebar main visit area. Don't forget the name. The name is main visit area. Let me go back. Go to your WordPress backend and scroll down to the appearance option. Click on visits. When you click on visit, the number one visit here, main visit area. Okay, just click within it. Click the content. Here you will able to change this image. You will able to change image size and more stuff here. Okay, so this is the same thing here. Category will be under another widget here, downside. Here it is, categories. Then recent post. You can see the line here, recent post, and then we have a tags. The same thing here, tags, Instagram, recent post, categories, the bio, WoodMart author information. Okay, let me first choose image, upload my image. Make sure you have your image here to upload. Let me pick any random image like that and upload here. Use select image, click on it, and it look bigger. Okay, so you don't need to worry. You have already select 120 by 120, so that's good to go. Let me try to upload if this works. If the image more bigger, you have to create your image within this size, 120 by 120 pixel. Let me add it, upload. You can edit image, because my image is 1000 by 1000 pixel, so you can easily, if you want to crop, make sure you have smaller like that. You can crop it. Okay, but I will recommend apply, click on uh, apply crop and save edits. Make sure, but if you have already smaller image, that's well and good. So if I update or refresh my home page, let me check if how image look like. Not yet. So you have to, let me change first my other name. In the other name option, my name is Preet. Okay, now let me update it to check if our image start look and how it looked like. Yeah, refresh. Yeah, here it is, looks good. Our image looks good. You can crop it or you can make your image smaller size. The recommended size here 120 by 120 pixel. You can create one in Canva. Select the custom size, put your this size there. If you wanna make medium, large or full image size in pixel 200 by 1 or 100, you can select this value here to try out different sizes. Now we have author bio, this one. In the author bio, provide the description about yourself. Text align should be center because this line in the center here, description in the center, categories in the left side. Okay, you can align it, keep it center. Color scheme, you can choose light or dark. If I choose dark, update. Let's check out how it look like if I select dark one. Yeah, I should go back and select the light one to try out different color schemes, but I will teach you later on how to change all coloring on the website. Yeah, this one not visible, so let me go with the default one. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, now we have a outer link, which is nice thing. You can provide your website link here, so someone will and for example, we have option here outer link. You have to provide outer link here. In the link text, if you want to make a button here, something, see my portfolio, contact me, for example, contact me. Come back to your wizard area. In the link text option, provide contact us. We have to provide label here, text label. In the author link, provide the same link you provide here as a button. For example, contact us. Definitely you will provide here your contact us or your profile link here. Okay, let me click update. Now you will see there will be a contact us option. Here it is, contact us. And extra class theme, you can skip this one if you have no experience. And then let's go to categories. Let me click within this box. Okay, now we have selected categories here. You can choose display as drop down. If you wanna make this as drop down, this one, you can make this drop down. So people have to select within the drop down. Show post count, if you wanna display here how many posts published in this particular category. Example, decoration, design, trends. So this will display like 5 blog post, 4 blog post. This will count your post in that particular category. Let me select the show post count. Okay, just to show post counts. Okay, now let me refresh. This will display number of blog posts. Here it is 3, 2, 1, like that. Okay, you can change your category title here. Okay, but instead of categories, you wanna display how to choose any, like example, you wanna display here any menu. You already create any menu, you wanna display here menu as categories, or you wanna change these categories. Okay, let me, because right now if you can see here, the this particular wizard is belong to categories. How many categories you have in, when you click on post categories, how many posts you have, categories you have, this will display all those. Okay, but if you want to exclude any category or something, you have to delete this particular wizard. Let me delete this one. Delete. Now instead of this, I will put here between, scroll your mouse between here, and you will see plus icon. Click on it, add block, and example, let me select as menu, search for menu. You can even display page list here, latest comment. Let me select here menu, and you have option here, WoodMart sidebar mega menu, navigation menu, or page list. Let's go navigation menu. In the navigation menu, we have to select the menu for those categories. First, we have to create menu before we display here. We can create one menu, name categories, then we can just simply select here. But we already have categories menu here. categories. Okay, because we will able to easily remove any category we don't want. We have selected menu categories here, so let me first update this one to check. Yeah, here we have a huge list of categories now. Okay, but I want to keep some of these. Make sure you remember selected menu categories here. This is these menu available in our WordPress. So to find menus, we have to go to appearance, click on menus. Here we have to select the menu you want to add it. In the select menu, select categories and click on select. You can leave, click on leave. Okay, now we have all these categories. Some of them are blank, invalid. Just to expand one by one and remove all those. Scroll down, you will see little remove option. Remove one by one. Remove. I don't want to display cooking. Just click on the this drop button and scroll down to the end of this particular item and click on remove one by one. Scroll down, click on remove. So we only keep some categories we want to display there. Let me first remove invalid categories. Or you can do one thing, because all these categories comes with a demo content. You can do one thing. Click bulk select and select all these categories one by one. We don't want these categories. We want to add our own category from our category section here. The categories we create our own, right? So let me select all these and click here, remove selected item, and now we have a blank area. So come over to this left side here, scroll down, you will see categories. Click on view all. Now these categories we have available in our post category section. So let me select which category you want to display. You have to select here. For example, I want to display all those but not decoration, so I will not select it. I will unselect it. Keep unselect and web design. Let me consider web design 4 categories. Let me click now. After you select, add to menu. Okay, now these categories already here. Simply save menu. Now we have only 4 category in the sidebar. Let me refresh my page and now you will see only 4 categories we have. Like that. Only 4 category. But I want to display category the label here. Let me go back to my appearance widget. In the widget, we will find our main widget area. The first block is author information. We already work on that. Next, here it is categories. Select. When you click on select navigation menu, there is a title. Put the title categories and click on update. Now the label name category will display here. Here it is, category. Looks beautiful. And then we have a recent post. Even you can also exclude or include post here. Let me give you one pro tip here. Do not duplicate your post in the home page, because that really badly affect on your website SEO. For example, if you have a one blog post here in upper banner and you are displaying here again, that cause duplicate content on the home page. So we will avoid that one. When I work on my client's website, I always suggest them to avoid these things, duplicate content. And even after a project, they contact me, ask my advice for anything, I definitely help them. Okay, so let's go to next one. What we have, WoodMart recent post. Click on it, and here even you can adjust how many number of posts you want to display. Example, in here we have only 4. but I want to display a little longer, 7 or 8, because we have extra space on the home page here. So we will complete this space on the home page. Or either you have to reduce these blog posts. For example, 2, 3, 4. We will reduce and our website will look more nice way. With the complete sidebar, there is no blank space like that. Okay, just you have to let me first go to our homepage customizing area. Here it is. Okay, now first let me refresh one time because we changed in the sidebar. You can open all these things into new tabs separately, so the work will more easier for you. Example here. Okay, now let me first check which area have more blog post which cause this blank space in the side right side. So this particular banner, let me right click on it, edit blog, and I will control my category. I wanna only display some of them. Order by, you can meta value number, or order by date. You can check all these things. Let me go to style. Yeah, here in the style option, in the style option you can always change blog design. If you wanna display the image into small images, like it will be become smaller images on your home page, like that. You can try out these things in the style section. Default alternative, and let's go mask on image. You can try out different option for the images on your home page. This looks good, so I want to keep this one. Looks very perfectly aligned. And here we have option. If we look down in the style option, we have items per page. So I will put only 4, so I don't have this extra space. Only 4. So now you will see we have only this little space, but we can cover this one, and we will put something in the sidebar so it will cover the space. So let me close my sidebar. Yeah, here it is. Okay, even if I only keep 2 image, that will be very aligned here. So let me go back, and instead of item per page I will put the value 2 and close my sidebar to check. Yeah, here it is, very aligned. We have no extra little bit, but we can cover this one. Looks beautiful homepage. Okay, but if you have plan in future to display more stuff in the sidebar, you can keep 4 images here, 6 image, depends on you. Every time you want to adjust the number of image display or design, just right click anywhere, edit block, and here in the left side go to style section between here and look for all the options here. Even you can adjust image size and the item per page. We have 4 here. You can make it only 2, 3, 4. So if you multiple select here like 5 or 6, that will be slidable. That will look more nice. And here, okay, perfect. Now let's go to carousel. This is the option for this particular main banner. Carousel slides per view, 3 slides. If I slide one time, example here, it will bring 3 item. Okay, I have only 3 posts. Okay, let me first select here how many posts. 3, go down, item per page 6. I have to put 6 here, so that will bring 6 more images. Let me refresh, and if I slide now, as you can see, every slide it bring more 3 blog posts, like that. You can adjust like that. So put the number of blog posts you feel looks good. For example, you cannot display because every in the carousel, every swipe or every slide there is a value 3. But if you put here you wanna only slide 2 images, then in the general you have to put value like uh, is equal by 2, is equal by 3, like that. Now every slide has 3, so I have to put 6 blog posts, every slide 3, so there will be 2 slides. You can adjust this way. Go to carousel, scroll per page, slide loop, auto height, slide autoplay. Even you can autoplay this slide. Let me publish and check. Refresh. Let's try out if it auto slide. Yeah, looks good. You can adjust the auto slide time here. Slider speed 5000 millisecond. You can reduce to like 2. And now publish. Go back to your home page. Refresh. And here wait for little second one. Yeah, here looks good. You can adjust this way and it will auto slide. And we have option carousel on scroll, disable overflow, a pagination, hide pagination control. You can hide for here, but you can enable pagination downside anywhere here, so people will able to click view more here. So if I wanna display pagination in the end, right click here, edit block, go to style section and scroll, look for option pagination. Here it is, load more content, select here. As then you will see here load more post button right way, or you can select infinite scroll, it will auto scroll. When someone scroll with the mouse it will auto scroll more image, more blog post. Okay, which option you like you can select according that. Okay, let's go back to our sidebar area, we did not finish yet. Okay, so we are on our recent post. Yeah, how many recent posts you want to display here? For now we have 1 2 3 4 recent post, 4 blog posts. Let me go back. Here it is. Number of blog posts show is select 4 here. Then I can select here simply 6 or 8 or 10. Then what we will do, we will simply increase the number of images here. Here we will increase to 4 again. So there will be another space here for the 8 images. So let me select 6 here. Even you can select particular category recent post. If you want to display recent post from decoration only, then you have to select here decoration in the category option. Order by date, you can even order here random title. Okay, any blog you want to add it. Example, first we have information, outer information, category. These all are the blocks, so we have to click one time within to get into it. Example here to see the options. So I hope you understand now. Now let's go to after recent image. We have select here recent image. Yeah, 6. Click update. Now we have 6 blog posts in the sidebar. Here it is. But we have only 3. What happened? Let me go back. Yeah, because the reason, because we choose only decoration category. In that particular category we only have 3 image, 3 blog posts. So let me, if I select all, it will display blog post from the all category, but it will definitely display 6 value, 6 blog post. Let me refresh one time. And now you can see we have a 6 blog post here. Now you can see we have overflow some area. That's why we will make these blog posts double for here instead of two. The longer sidebar you're building, make sure you can adjust with these blocks to multiply these to avoid this space here, or you have to just remove the tag option here. Okay, anything you don't want in the sidebar here, let me scroll down. Example, WoodMart Instagram, you don't want it because it's not displaying. It's displaying here it is the images we have. You can integrate your Instagram, but if you don't want, you can simply remove this option from the backend. To remove any block, first you have to go into that particular block by clicking. For example, I click here WoodMart Instagram, then upper side we have a three dots option, delete. You will see option delete here. Otherwise you can upload your Instagram images here. You will see option upload, and for the images link you can provide your Instagram images link. Okay, even you can provide title, username of Instagram, link text. You can provide your link to Instagram. This way how it works. So let me click on upload, and now you can choose you want to display the images there one by one. If you don't want any, just select to cancel any image. Okay, just select to cancel. You need to click upload and upload more. What type of size, image size you want to keep? Medium. Keep it, select medium. The example they have given here, make sure you put the same words in small letters like medium, full, large. You have to put size in the words. And don't forget to click update every time. Next we have tags. Let me scroll down. Yeah, we have tags here. We have left only one tags. Let me click this box to open tags. Show tag count. Even you can enable tag counts in particular tag how many blog posts related. But if you don't want, you can just simply go to this three dot option and delete this particular. I don't want to display tags. That's okay. Click update. Now let's check out our website if there is a tag option. First, you have to decide how long or how bigger you wanna make your home page. You can adjust setting according to that. For example, we have only 5 images because only we have 5 image in my gallery. But in your case, you can select multiple image to cover this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can select multiple. If someone click here, they will visit to. Let me show you where they will visit to. This link, image link. You have to provide your Instagram link in the image link. There is an option images link, and don't forget to click update when you provide your image link here. You can display your portfolio here, that's okay too. You can just simply change here, images API. You can change as you want. If you want to add more stuff downside after the Instagram, we because we delete the tags, we have option to add block here. Click on it, and you can even, if you want to write something paragraph here or nice words about your website, then you have to select these blocks according that. If you want to display the text, you can go with paragraph. If image or gallery, you can select, or you can click on browse all to see all your blocks here in the left side. And you can simply drag. If you want to display video here in the sidebar, we have a block here video. Just to slowly drag this one under the last block. Last block was Instagram WoodMart Instagram. This one is the last because we delete the tag one. So instead tag, we want to display video here. So I already dragged that video block. It will ask you to upload video, insert from link, your from URL. If you already have a video URL, simply click on insert from URL and provide that particular URL you have a video on. The video will display in the sidebar. Even you can select if you already have a video in the media library. Okay, let me delete. So you will understand different blocks how we display. Let me click again add block, browse all. Now you can check out other blocks you want to display. Custom HTML you can display. If you want to display calendar, you have to drag calendar. If you want to display latest comment on your blog, just drag latest comment blog under here. And now we have a comments. Let me click update and now refresh my home page. Now we have a comments here like that. Now you can see we have extra space, so I have to make it double this blog post, two slides, two blog posts. I will make it double to four, so we will cover the space. So for that, let me go back here. So I will make it four. Right click, edit blog, go to style option, scroll down where items per page, put the value 4. So I will cover this extra space, publish, and now when you refresh there is a no space. Now there is no space. We can adjust the comments, how many comments you want to display here, one or two. Go back to wasted area, click within it, and it will click on it, and here you will see right side there is a selected block. Number of comments you can reduce it to only 2. If you want to display only 2, display date, you want to display date, or you want to display avatar. I don't want to display avatar or image, just to off that option. And I don't want to also display the date. I only want to display the comments, the name and comments of person. You can adjust here. Click update. Now let's refresh. There will be nice changes like that and looks good. The person name and the comments. If you wanna add image, then you have to enable the avatar, display avatar, and it will automatic display avatar of that person who leave comment. This way you can display a lot of things in the sidebar. Now let's move to subscribe and learn about new first. Okay, let me go to here, scroll down. So here, this is actually the HTML block. How I know, how I will find this particular element? I think this comes with the footer section. So we can find this one because this is not editable in Elementor, right? You can try out by clicking here. Nothing happened. So let me go back to HTMLs. HTML blocks. Let me try first layouts. Click on layouts. If we find newsletter layout there or not, go to HTML blocks, scroll down. If you find pre-footer, yeah, here it is, pre-footer, because this is we call pre-footer. Before the footer we call it pre-footer magazine. So pre-footer magazine you can try out by clicking on view. If this is the same, yeah, this is the same, we are going to add it. So you can add it those different elements um, which not able to which we are not able to edit in the Elementor. So that means this is the fixed HTML block. We need to go to our WordPress and look for HTML option. In the WoodMart, the process is very same for every WoodMart. Any type of website you want to build, there is a HTML blocks. If you did not find anything, you have to look HTML blocks. You will definitely find your block here. So I will simply click edit with Elementor. Now this will allow us to edit that particular element here. Here it is. Now I'm able to edit. I want to edit the subscribe and learn about. I will scroll my mouse there, right click, edit, section title. Now left side you have a all option, subtitle, title, you can change anything you want. And here you will see small MailChimp icon. There is a form. Okay, so you have to select your form to subscribe, to enable newsletter on your website. But before that you have to install MailChimp. Let me go back and I will go to WoodMart and go to plugins, and here you will find MailChimp for WordPress. Just click on install. This will auto install and apply form for you in that particular place, but you have to make sure you connect MailChimp with the WordPress. For that you have to just refresh one time and scroll down. You will find out option here. Yeah, MC4WP in the end of your WordPress menu. Here the side options, MC4WP, click MailChimp, and here connect your website with MailChimp. That's all your work. You have to provide API key. How to get API key? Just click here, right click here, or simply you can click here. So I always suggest you right click, open into new tab, so you will not miss your work in this tab. So open into new tab. So here you can follow this guide. You can log in simply and it will auto bring you to API key page. Then copy and paste here and save changes. Once you see, it will become green connected. Okay, then you can go to MailChimp forms. But if you have already formed, those will display here. Otherwise you can add new form. Once you already add new form here, go to your this particular block we are editing. Yeah, this one we are editing, this one. Add it with Elementor. When you edit this particular HTML with Elementor, just click here, MailChimp for WordPress error, because we did not connect it yet. So here option select form, make sure you select your form here. Don't forget to select form, so then it will display here. Downside, we have a text will be used according to our privacy policy. You can change it here. Just click on it. And left side you will find out will be used in according. You can change it. If you want to make clickable any link like privacy policy, just select with the mouse and you will find out little downside. This one, edit option, edit and paste URL. First you have to select. For example, I want to only select privacy policy. I want to only make a clickable privacy policy words. So I will select first. If you did not see here, or you can again click here upper side, insert or add link, little link icon, and paste your link. Delete this hashtag, paste your link, and don't forget here button apply. It will be applied, and click publish. This way you can also edit your this footer section. So after this we have a footer section. We already complete this one. Now we have this footer section downside. Let me highlight this one here. We have our copyright text, we have logo, and we have a social media button. Let me give you one tip here. If you wanna edit your footer, you can just hover your mouse to the option edit with Elementor, and when you hover your mouse you will see home menu, pre-footer magazine, footer magazine, lot of these sections when you hover your mouse. And you can directly click here footer magazine. You can see pre-footer magazine, and or you can go to your WordPress backend. Let me go to backend. Then you can go to HTML blocks, click all items. You can find your footer here. Photo 1 column dark, pre-footer magazine, and we have to find our footer. Let me check next one. Let me go back. First we can check the name of its footer magazine. Then we will find footer magazine in HTML blocks. Here it is, footer magazine. Now you can check by clicking view on right click on view. The right click on view. Let me right click on view and copy link address. Right click on view, open link into new tab. Here you can see we have our footer here. You can easily click here, add it with Elementor. You can easily click here, add it with Elementor, or you can click here, add it with Elementor on the HTML block page. Add it with Elementor. Now we will start customizing our footer section. But if you want to learn more about a WoodMart theme setting or speed optimization, if you're building e-commerce website, product page customization or cart page, we have all video for different topics. You can check in our WoodMart playlist. So here we have our footer section. First we will go to hover our mouse to the logo and right click on logo, edit image, or you can simply click here little pencil icon to edit your logo. Now you will find left side choose image. You have to choose your logo image here. Let me upload any logo just to show you. Let me upload my agency logo here. Make sure your logo is perfect size. As we have 120 by 34, you can adjust the width here. Just you have to slowly increase its width here slowly, or you can in the width section provide the value like 120. I will provide 160 and width will be increase. Now it will be fully visible. You can increase more, 180, 170 or 180 according your logo. If you have a bigger logo, you can reduce width and height here. Let me increase more. I need to put 200 by 34. Yeah, looks good. Now we have our copyright text here. On copyright text, we have to hover our mouse, right click, edit text editor. And here we have to change our copyright text. As you can see, WoodMart 2023, you can just provide your company name instead of WoodMart. You can delete WoodMart and provide your company name or your business or website name. Let me delete from WoodMart. Okay, provide your company name like Preet Web Basin, and then we have copyright 2025 here. Okay, and you have to also edit other text as well. Then we have our social media buttons. Right click on it, edit social media button. Social media button, if you wanna display label, you can enable this one. This way this will display label. Here you can change this label from the label text. Type, share or follow, you can choose it like that, or you can change label to like follow us on, like that. This way you can edit all these things on the footer section as well. Now don't forget to click on publish. You can also check dark mode or light mode by switching the layout to the dark, or you can see my mouse here, light or dark. This way you can edit your footer. Now let's go to our header section for our header menu. So we have to go to WoodMart theme option and go to header builder option where we will find our header. So this is our header builder section, and you have to only look for here the highlighted one. So that means this one is active on our website, header magazine. You can try out other one by one, but we have to edit this one, header magazine. Click on edit. This will open header builder area. In header builder, we have social media icon, main menu, search, and logo. The similar to our here. Let me go to my website homepage again to just to show you our header. So here it is. We have upper side social media buttons and menu section, search, and logo. So the structure is very same here in the backend. Here, social media icon, main menu. So we have to go one by one. First, let's go to social media, social link icons. When you hover your mouse, you will see little added pencil icon. Click on it. And first you have to choose here, follow or share, and go to style. You can choose your button style here. What type of button style you want. Button form, you can try out different one here. If you wanna keep dark or light color, you can try out these things. Then let's go to main menu. Click edit. So here you have to choose your main menu here. So your main menu right now, the menu is displaying here is way more longer here. So we need to either create our own menu to display here. For that, we have to first let's create our menu. Go to our appearance option and click on menu. In menu section, you can either, if you already have you can select your, when you select your menu, you can look for main menu, or you can create one. If not, just by clicking here, create new menu, click on it, and now we will name our menu. So here we have to put our name like my menu, so you remember it, my menu, and we will click on create menu. Now you have to decide what type of menu you want to display in the header section. So we have all pages here. You can click view all, and the pages you want to display in your main menu, just to select here like blog, about us, and contact us, digital marketing. Even you can choose your category. Just once you choose in the pages, add to menu, and those will be added to our menu section like that. You can adjust. If you wanna add your front page, just to select your home page, front page magazine. So then we will edit our here label, the label showing home magazine. It should be only home. So I will expand my menu, the item here, and remove magazine from the label. Navigation label, I will only keep menu. That's all. So this is our home, blog, digital marketing, about us, contact us. If you want to add more items from the category, just hover to categories and select category you want to display in the menu and click atom. You can add anything from the left side here you want to display in your, or you can make drop down of the category. As we are designing blog magazine, I think it's a good way. We have to drop down all the category menu. But if you wanna work with the mega menu, you can check my another video for mega menu. You will find a lot of video about WoodMart if you wanna get more information about specific topic. So let me select my category, click add to menu. Now we have a lot of menu items here. Okay, let me bring contact us to the end, about us to the first number, second. You can adjust your menu here. Blog should be here. Okay, now let me save my menu. So our menu has been created with the name of my menu. So now I will go back to header builders to select my this particular menu. So let me save my changes. Okay, now let's go to WoodMart and header builder again. Now we will edit our header again from the header builder here. Header magazine, edit, click on edit. Okay, let's go to now main menu, click little edit. Here let's select our my menu. We just create my menu, save. Now our menu has been saved. Now we will also save our header. Click on save header. Now our header has been saved. Now after that we have search and logo. If you want to keep search option, you can leave it, or if you want to drag it anywhere or downside, just you can drag it anywhere. If you want to add more stuff nearby the search, just click on add element. Here you have to select what type of element you want to add in header section. If you want to display information box, button, for example button, I will first you have to decide where you want to display button. If you want to display button nearby the search button, let me check. Yeah, here in the search button you can display button here anywhere. So let me go to the search box here, click on add element. You can see my mouse, there is a plus icon, and now scroll down for the button, click on the button, and first name your button, contact us, and you have to provide your contact us link here. Okay, make sure you can get your link from your pages. Click all pages. Let me open into new tab. To get any particular page link, just to hover your mouse, for example contact us, here it is. You will see option view, right click on view, copy link address, that's all. Now link has been copied. I will go back to the button, edit button, and here contact us. Now I will provide that particular link I just copy in the pages and save changes. Save header again. Don't forget to save header. Now we have complete upper row. Next row, bottom row we call it, we have only logo left. Let's refresh and see the changes. As you can see, we have a now button in the header section, and all the pages, all the menu section be selected here. Or you can try out to open into new tab, because sometimes due to cookies your changes not done properly. If not, you have to go back to your menu section. Go back here and let me go to main menu again. Yeah, I have to select again my menu, sorry for that. Save and save header. Now let's check out. Our menu will be changed to the menu we just created, my menu. As you can see, we have new menu now, we just created. Now let's go to our this, which is important, the logo. Let's go to same header builder. Let's go to down row, logo. Hover your mouse to the pencil icon to edit it. Here logo image, you have to provide your logo image here, and you can even adjust the width. First you can try out by provide simple logo, don't adjust. First we will test it. Save header. You can try out if how your logo look like. If there need any changes, then you can do it. Yeah, looks good. We don't need any changes, looks good. Okay, this way you can create your blog and magazine website with the help of WoodMart team. If you have any question, just let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.